Hey everyone, welcome back to another voice mod video. So today I'm going to talk about text to speech. You can actually have a speech. So this is a brand new feature in Voicemod. Time you've seen this video would be, this feature's been in Voicemod for about a week, or just over a week. So let me show you how this works. So when you load up Voicemod, you come onto your different voices, and on the side end you see TTS, which is text to speech, and then obviously then you got pick your voice, which obviously you could change your voice, which then you can change it to any of these, and the best thing is, well, you can play these.
Let Voicemod do the talking for you. Let Voicemod do the talking for you.
Let Voicemod do the talking for you.
So whatever one you decided that you wanted to use, you can click on it. So I think I'm going to use the narrator. That one sounds a bit more...
You are awesome. That's all I have to say.
That one sounds a bit more nicer to me, so I'm going to click it. They do seem to be adding it, probably some point down the line they're going to add a feature where you can train your voice, which means you can use your own voice and then you convert that into an AI voice on the software. Which, once I want to know when it's ready, so I'm going to be making a video on this once this does come out. But to me that sounds pretty cute, and I imagine that some of the videos that people can actually do instead of actually talking, like that would be amazing. So obviously then you get then your text, which I got mine copy and pasted. It's similar when I used in my last video. So standard YouTube stuff like. So then we get our text generated. Once this is generated, then we can actually play the voice.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
You also have effects to our voice, so we want to click add effects, and then we can select down. And obviously you can change it by the year. I'm going to go for pilot.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Okay, what about banana?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
So obviously you got all these different types of effects.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Okay, go to as astronaut. Once you're done with your effects, if you want to add any, if you don't want to add any, obviously you can just turn it off.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
I'll correct the astronaut effect.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
So once you are done in with your voice, your text to speech as well as then your effect, you need to click add to soundboard, which in this will add to soundboard, and also then you can. So right, I'm gonna add that to my soundboard. You probably want to create a new one. Probably make it TTTS. Click add, and by default then it does take us straight to it, which then we can.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Then also we go back, and then we can create our new ones. So let's now leave it on the default one which to give us. Use the same text again. Generate. Click play.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Add to assembled. And boom.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
I definitely would recommend creating new soundboards instead of using one of these default ones, or even using a soundboard that you already customized made. So what I do is to go to the little owl, and we call it TTS, text to speech. which option I know. Trying how to do that. So from here, then we'll click Add Soundboard. Then obviously it gives just our playlist names, which obviously our soundboard names, which obviously can work with song, and then the other one which is text to speech. Click Add, and then this will go to our group.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
But yeah, that's pretty much it from this text to speech system on Voicemod. Hope you guys did enjoy. Once you got your own voice to Voicemod for this method to use it on text to speech, I will make a video on it. No problem at all. I hope I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and hope that you guys find this information really well. So obviously do the standard YouTube stuff, and
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
yeah, you had the AI first. Bye for now.